Guys, what's up? What's up? You know, in the new items from the new update, I think it's obvious that my favorite is the remote controller. Notice how I utilize it for my builds, like my new APC, Rudolph the cat, and even the angel. They become more powerful because of the mouse controlled turrets and head. Right, Steve? And I have tutorials for those. And now, I want these mechanics on a fighter jet. How are we going to do that? You know, the remote controller is equivalent to a driver's seat, so you cannot really control jet turbines with this. Yes, you can start the jet turbines, but cannot turn. But the solution for that is already available. Ladies and gentlemen, the LavaFlows stable jet flight mechanics. We use driver's seat for this mechanic, so we can also use remote controller for this. Let's try. Ta-da! Here's the mouse controlled turret mechanics now. Tutorials for both mechanics is available here in my channel. It's very easy, so watch these two videos, learn the mechanics, then combine them. And then this is my Dassault Rafale. I place the turret in front, but the jet flight mechanics have its limitations. Because we use servos with this, weight affects its function. Here in my jet, I place hundreds of miniguns for the turret, so it becomes heavier than my jet. So I added obsidian blocks on my jet to make it heavier than the turret. And guys, if the turret is heavier than the jet, it will turn crazy! Problem is, adding too much weight will affect the jet mechanics, right? So I actually used the wheel version for this jet because wheels are stronger than servos. Don't worry, it's also in the tutorial. But the thing is, even the wheels have its limits. So yeah, I have to balance the weight of the jet. Jet weight must be heavier than the turret, but jet weight must be light enough for the servos or wheels to function properly. If not, then you'll have a broken mechanics. So yeah, it's actually easier if you have less miniguns. There's really no specific numbers or measurements here. It all depends on your build, guys. But it is still very easy. Just do some experiments on the weights you gotta use for your jet. And with these mechanics, I think jet becomes more powerful! So yes guys, this is for this simple tutorial. I hope you learned something. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Click the notification bell, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye!